Hey everyone, good morning. So today's Monday, August 5th, and it is 10:25. I'm telling you, I am not having the best morning. Uh, so I've been up for like an hour and a half, and I'm still tired. So I think I'm gonna go back to sleep. Hey guys, it's me. It's like I think 3 in the afternoon. I know I haven't been vlogging since I decided to get out of bed. When I told you guys I was gonna go back to sleep, I really didn't. I couldn't go back to sleep. But anyway, right now I'm reorganizing my room. So as you can see, that's like my little area of like my college degree. I'm a nursing graduate and my high school diploma. Yes, this is my little congratulatory bear. I do wish it was bigger though. Ain't he a cutie? And there's Hamtaro. That's actually made out of clay, like legit clay, that I got from my Korean classmate back in high school when we were classmates for ceramics. Ain't he a cutie? And look, he's offering you some nuts. Well, it's really one nut. Well, I'm gonna get back to cleaning. Hey guys, so you're not gonna believe what I found while I was cleaning up. I found my sashes from when I was in a pageant back in high school, and here they are. As you can see, they are all okay. So I'm gonna turn the camera to the side so it's gonna give you like a weird angle, so sorry if you have to turn your head to the side. So this one says best in talent and first runner up. So sadly, I didn't win the title as queen, but I did win the title as princess, whatever the fuck you want to call it. And I had a crown, but you know, I gave it to my little niece and I have no idea what they did with it. But here are some pictures for you to see, so enjoy. And yeah, for my talent, girl, I'm telling you, I was shaking that rump, my rump, like there was no tomorrow. Beyonce didn't have shit on me. Hey guys, so it's 10 o'clock and earlier I went jogging. As you know, my typical routine, but I actually ran today since I didn't have my camera with me. But right now, as you can see, I'm sweating like a beast. That's because I'm dancing. I show you everything, but I'm not wearing pants, so we don't want YouTube to block this video. Ha ha ha. I don't know. It's not showing much, huh? But whatever. So I'm gonna finish up dancing. I'm gonna finish up dancing. I'm gonna take a shower and talk to you guys as soon as I get out. Hey guys, so I got out of the shower and yeah, I just wanted to make a video to wrap up the vlog for today. So as you can tell, I didn't do much vlogging because I was kind of busy cleaning my room. I'm not done, but as you can see, the toys and that little brown wooden closet are no longer there. all that's there is like a pile of my dirty clothes. So I definitely need to get a basket that's in my old room and use that in here. And you guys already saw that little area right there, and you can see my journals on the floor. There's Teddy Bear, and Hamtaro is being blocked by my water. Yeah, and as you can see, my bed is off the wall. Let me show you guys this cute drawing. So way before I was in this room, or my brother was, my sister, who now lives in Washington, used to live in this room. And when she had her first baby, her boyfriend drew Winnie the Pooh. Because during that time, my sister was really like crazy for Winnie the Pooh, telling she had like the Winnie the Pooh collection, like no joke. I wanted some of her stuff, but she got mad at me when I'd steal it. But anyway, what else did I do today? So aside, when I was done cleaning, I kind of sang a little bit. Sang in my room. Because no one was home, and my little cousin that I babysit every day went with my mom to pick up my dad. So I had the house all to myself, and I sang my heart out. Yeah, so that's basically it. And the regular routine of going on YouTube, listening to music and whatnot. So yeah, you guys have a good day, good night, wherever you may be. I don't know what time it is, but on my end it's actually almost 11 o'clock. 10:40 really. So yeah, I guess this is it. Bye guys, until next time. Hopefully tomorrow's a more exciting day for the both of us. Good night. And in Korean, how we say good night, I'm not Korean, but I love Korean shit. How we say good night is 잘 자요, 잘 자요, 잘 자, 잘 자. I had to say that a few times just to get it right. 잘 자, 잘 자, 잘 자, 잘 자. Yeah, whatever the fuck. I don't give a shit. Hope you understand it. 잘 자. Bye.